Today we're going to take a look at amazing gadgets that are worth on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Muyi Musketeer Fidget Slider. Looking for a fidget toy that combines premium craftsmanship with innovative design? Look no further than the Muyi Musketeer Fidget Slider. Quality production. Produced by Muyi, this fidget slider is brand new and factory sealed, ensuring quality and authenticity. Number 2. Trinity Magnetic Quick Release Knife. Are you tired of struggling with bulky, inefficient knives? Look no further than the Trinity Magnetic Quick Release Knife. In this review, we'll delve into the innovative features and practicality of this must-have everyday carry tool. Designed through months of collaboration and innovation, the Trinity Quick Release Knife is a game-changer in the world of utility tools. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Small and practical design, crafted with convenience in mind, this titanium knife is intentionally compact, making it an essential addition to your arsenal of tools. Magnetic Quick Release. Say goodbye to cumbersome blade changes. The Trinity knife features a magnetic quick-release system, allowing for swift and effortless blade replacement. Customizable color combinations. Personalize your knife with your favorite colors. Choose from a variety of top and bottom combinations. Number 3. Thor and Loki pendants. Inspired by Norse mythology, the Thor and Loki pendants are not just jewelry pieces. They are tools designed for survival. Thor pendant, themed around Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, this pendant features a fire starter inside. Crafted to help and protect, it's equipped with a replaceable flint and designed with sharp edges for fire starter ignition. The magnetic and safety lock mechanism ensures extra security. Loki pendant. Inspired by the Norse figure Loki, this pendant resembles a knife from mythology. Its primary purpose is to save lives, featuring a hidden blade inside. In emergencies like car accidents, where seat belts may get stuck, the Loki pendant provides a swift solution. Premium construction. Made with grade 5 titanium alloy, these pendants are lightweight, durable, and water-resistant. Each pendant undergoes precision CNC machining, ensuring high quality and long-lasting performance. Number 4. HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. Looking for a precision screwdriver kit that takes your repair and crafting projects to the next level? The HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro might just be the tool you've been searching for. Let's delve into its features and see what sets it apart. Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. This kit is designed to elevate your repair and crafting experience with its precision tools and versatile accessories. Clamshell Workstation. The clamshell design unfolds on your desktop, keeping all your precision tools well arranged and easily accessible. No more rummaging through drawers for the right tool. Ultra-portable design. At just 2.6 centimeters thin, this screwdriver kit is effortlessly portable. Carry it with you wherever you go and store it without taking up much space. Versatile accessories. With 48 premium accessories, this kit combines practicality and reliability for any project you undertake. No matter the task, you'll find the right tool for the job. As to steel bits, the kit includes 20 short and 6 long durable steel bits, ensuring durability and precision in all your repairs. Electric precision screwdriver. Featuring dual torque levels. Number 5. HORL to Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener. Engineered in Germany, the HORL to Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener is a precision tool designed to elevate your knife sharpening experience. Material and design. Crafted from high-quality walnut, the HORL to Sharpener exudes elegance and durability. Its compact dimensions of 5.31 lx for 0.7 to wx to 0.56 h make it easy to handle and store. Flexibility in sharpening. The HORL to Sharpener offers the flexibility to satisfy individual requirements in knife sharpening. It features interchangeable grinding discs and a magnetic angle support with options for both a 15 angle for a fine edge and a 20 angle for a robust blade. Diamond and ceramic discs. This sharpening system combines diamond and ceramic discs, ensuring compatibility with knives of any hardness. Whether you're sharpening European kitchen knives, hard or soft steel, stainless, rust-resistant steels, or outdoor knives, the HORL can handle them all. The industrial diamonds used in the discs are among the most durable and efficient abrasives available. Versatile grinding angles. Achieve the perfect edge for your knives with the HORL 2. The 20 grinding angle is ideal for robust cutting tasks, providing a sharp and long-lasting edge. Meanwhile, the extra fine 15 grinding angle is perfect for fine cutting work, such as sushi, sashimi, and Damascus knives, as well as particularly hard steels with a high carbon content. Number 6. Levagear Edge XT Multitool. Discover the versatility and convenience of the Levagear Edge XT Multitool, the perfect addition to your everyday carry arsenal. 10 tools at your fingertips. Experience the power of 10 essential tools packed into one compact keychain box cutter. From cutting to prying, opening bottles to tightening screws, the Edge XT has you covered for all your daily tasks, saving you time and effort. Built for daily carry, slim and lightweight, the Edge XT is designed for effortless carry on your keychain, pocket, or bag. Its safety lock ensures peace of mind by preventing accidental opening when not in use, making it perfect for everyday carry. Beautifully crafted. Take pride in owning a well-made tool crafted with precision and durability in mind. The Edge XT Multitool is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. Number 7. Evo REPEL. Introducing the Evo REPEL, a revolutionary 3" -1 device that combines mosquito repellent, camping lantern, and power bank functionalities in one portable and versatile package. 3-in-1 double-sided design, the Evo REPEL is not just a mosquito repellent. It's also a powerful 3000 lumens camping lantern and a 51.8 watt-hours power bank. With its exclusive double-sided heating tech, it evenly heats both repellent mats, doubling the mosquito repellent effects. Plus, it's compatible with almost all repellent mats on the market, giving you more options. Dual protection mode with fast heating. Activate the camp mode mosquito repellent function with just a double click for speedy full protection. Enjoy a 10 FT mosquito-free zone in camp mode or a 30 feet zone in outdoor mode, ensuring a mosquito-free outdoor experience. 3000 lem ultralight outdoor lantern. Illuminate your campsite with ultra-bright illumination up to 3000 lem, covering a 200 square meters area with low power consumption for up to 100 hours on a full charge. Choose from for adjustable lighting modes and 5 color temperatures to suit your needs, from cozy dining to heightened alertness during outdoor activities.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.